my channel. This is Ashana back with a new video, and today I'm going to be doing this nice purple reddish smoky eye that I uploaded on my Instagram. If you don't have me on Instagram, what are you waiting for? All my social media platforms will be linked down below. But today I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill palette. It looks beat up because I really been using this palette like OD. Like, this palette is popping. So I'm going to be using a Jaclyn Hill palette. Really? Did y'all miss the background? I kind of missed the background. What the hell? I missed the background a whole lot because it's hard filming when it's raining or there's no sun out, because I'm all about the natural lighting. So just let me know if y'all want the backgrounds more. If so, let me know what color backgrounds you want to see, because I plan on taking a trip to the fabric store soon. So just let me know. So I already did my brows. I already moisturized. Something is on my eye. I didn't prime my eyes or my face yet, but we're going to do the eyes first, then after that we're going to prime. So let's get into this video, and we're going to stop wasting time. Okay, I'm gonna prime my eyes with the now you know, super duper uber comfy. Anyway, so I'm gonna prime my eyes with the LA Girl Pro concealer. This is what I do all the time. So I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna go in probably with any of these shades up here. Any of these shades up here, just to set my... Matter of fact, I'm bugging because I don't really set my... I don't set my concealers anymore. I just let them dry, and then I start with the eyeshadow. I don't know, for some reason it works better that way. But I'm going to go in with a regular blending brush, and I'm going to go in with this orange. I don't have the names to these. I don't have the names to these eyeshadows because I end up throwing it away by mistake. I say that in every video because it's hard for me to tell y'all which color I'm using, but I'm just going to point. So I'm going to use this little orangey spicy color right here, and I'm going to just put that in my crease. Tap off the excess and get to work. Something's on my leg. I just put that in my crease. I do it sloppy because I'm going to cut the crease anyway, but I just really want this orange shadow to peek through my look. So that's why I put it really close to the eyebrow, under the eyebrow. So I'm going to go in now with this red shade, this dark wine color. This is going to be, I'm going to smoke it out. I'm going to smoke that out with this color. This basically has been my favorite color in the palette. Like, I don't know, it's something about this red shade, and it shows up on me very good. So I'm just putting this on the outer V, and I'm also bringing it really under the orange shade that I applied on my crease before. I'm just mixing it in together. I'm not touching the lid, so I just want this to really show up, really be smoky. I like doing the background better. Only reason why I didn't want to do the background anymore, because for the simple fact is I don't have a camera that has a flip screen, so I don't know if I'm even positioned right sometimes, or I don't know if the camera cuts off because the time goes, I think after 25 minutes it cuts off, and then I have to start recording again. So sometimes it's really hard, but it's better for my back because I have big chest, so it's hard for me to sit because when I usually film by the window, I'm sitting on my bed. I don't have no back support, so it's starting to take a toll on my back now. So I'm like, I really need to start doing backgrounds now because sometimes my back hurts and I need my posture, to function, and I can't do that when I'm just sitting with no back support, and it's really annoying. So I'm like, I had to definitely go back to doing the backgrounds, even though being that I'm by the window so much easier because I put a mirror in the back of my camera, so it shows me how I look, if I'm focused, etc. So just bear with me, y'all. I do plan on getting a new camera, definitely one with what you call it, the flip lens where you can see yourself without putting a mirror in the back, but it's just so expensive, y'all, and y'all know how that goes. So I just have to do what I gotta do for right now and just try my best. But I'm definitely gonna continue having videos for you guys because I like making videos. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with this the same brush I did with the Spice shade. I'm gonna go back in my crease and just reapply it because it kind of got lost once I applied the red. Like, y'all don't know how comfortable I feel doing my makeup here, y'all. Y'all just don't know because my back would hurt like crazy and I'd just be like, oh my god, let me hurry up and finish filming. Like, yo, I just don't know. But I have to go back to my backgrounds. I miss my backgrounds because I don't have to wake up as early. I have to be like, oh my god, it's 8 o'clock, the sun's about to come up, okay, let me get up and just film, so it's just like, just crazy. But I'm gonna just make it work until I can afford a new camera. Okay, so now everything is blended in together, so we're gonna cut the crease, and I'm gonna use my favorite brush, which is the MAC 212, what I use for my brows. I also use to cut my crease because I'm more comfortable with this type of brush. So I'm going to go in with the same concealer, the LA Girl Pro concealer, and the color Toffee.
Yeah, I'd fly this whole world twice if I could be a paradise.
So I'm going to go back in with the brush that I used to apply the red, and I'm going to just dab that in there a little bit and just go over the crease just to like really intensify. This is what I do all the time if you watch my videos on a regular basis. It's like I clean up the eyeshadow with the concealer, and I cleaned up the concealer with the eyeshadow, if I'm saying that right. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this purple shade right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm going in with this purple shade right there, and I'm going to put that exactly on the lid. I'm going to spray it with my e.l.f. Hydrating Coconut Mist so it can really be vibrant. I'm back, and I just did my foundation. I use the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 356. I primed with my Fenty Beauty Pro filter, and I primed with something else. The Cover FX, where you at? The Cover FX blurring primer base, and I also did my concealer with the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep. And now I'm just about to set my concealer with the Laura Mercier. Ooh, I said it right today. If you want to see my foundation routine, I also have a video on that. I will link that down below. I mean, that's if you're interested. As you guys know, I do not bake. I don't believe in baking anymore. Yeah, I don't bake. I got white cast one time and I was just like, nah, I'm done with life. As I said in a video once before, so I do not bake. I just tap until I don't see anything anymore.
Close your eyes.
Contour with the Black Radiance, and I'm going to use my favorite brush to use for contour now is the It's My Rare brush, which is number 2. It's another brush, I think the number 7 brush as well. I like to contour with it. I don't know, like I usually like to contour with the slanted brushes, but now I'm just into just different stuff now, just different.
Time, so to speak, got me on delay, 'cause I crossed a million seas. Would you do that for me? Close your eyes, would you dream for me? Some paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause
I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow in Precious Petals. I like to curl my lashes because my lashes are super duper uber long and they get in my way when I try to put on my lashes. So these are the Tapered Casino Professional for number 43 and like wispy. Okay guys, you made it to the end of this video. I basically did my lip and I have the lashes that I showed you guys. What lashes are these? These are the Casino's Professional in the number 43. I have my lip, which is, I'm about to tell you right now, I lined it with MAC Chestnut, went over it with BAREMINERALS and Icon, and I went over top with the gloss, which is the MAC Cosmetics Gloss in Lust. This might be my favorite lip combo right now because it looks so good. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for clicking this video. Share this video if you think somebody will like this nice purple smoky eye burgundy type of look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to click that notification bell next to the subscribe button so you can get notified every time I upload. If you want to see more colorful looks like this, because I'm really stepping out of my comfort zone these days, just let me know. If you want to see any other type of videos, any type of routines, whatever, give me some suggestions, because sometimes I don't know what to film. I don't know what you guys want to see. So yes, I have my own ideas of what I want to upload, but I still want to fulfill what you want to see because I am here for you. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm about to do some slow-mos, capture this highlight and everything, and I'll see you in the next video. Laters.